Welcome to the Terraform tutorial series. In this video, we will dive into the fundamentals of Terraform, an essential tool for infrastructure as code. Whether you are new to Terraform or looking to deepen your understanding, you are in the right place. Terraform is an open source infrastructure as code tool created by HashiCorp. It allows you to define and provision infrastructure resources such as virtual machines, networks, and storage in a declarative configuration language. Before we delve into Terraform, let's understand the concept of infrastructure as code. Traditionally, infrastructure provisioning and management were manual and time consuming processes. With infrastructure as code, we can define and manage infrastructure using code, which enables automation, consistency, and scalability. Terraform consists of several key components that work together to manage infrastructure. Let's explore each one of them. So, the first thing is the configuration files. Terraform uses declarative configuration files written in HashiCorp configuration language, which is abbreviated as HCL or JSON, to define infrastructure resources and their dependencies. Second is providers. Providers such as Azure, AWS, Google Cloud are the plugins that interact with APIs of various cloud providers or services, allowing Terraform to manage resources across different platforms. Third is resources. Resources represent the infrastructure components you want to manage, such as virtual machines, networks, and databases. Each resource is defined within the configuration file that we discussed in the first point. Fourth is the state. Terraform maintains a state file that records the current state of your infrastructure. It tracks resource metadata, dependencies, and attribute values to ensure consistency and facilitate updates. Last is CLI, command line interface. The Terraform CLI provides commands for initializing, planning, applying, and managing infrastructure. It's a primary interface for interacting with Terraform. Now that we understand the concepts and components of Terraform, let's explore some of its key benefits. So, first one is IAC, infrastructure as code. Terraform enables codifying infrastructure, making it versionable, repeatable, and automated. Next is multi cloud provisioning. With support for multi-cloud providers, Terraform allows you to provision and manage resources across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Third is dependency management. Terraform automatically handles resource dependencies and ensures proper sequencing during provisioning and updates. And last benefit we can discuss about the plan and preview. Here, Terraform's plan command allows you to preview changes before applying them and reducing the risk of unintended modification. Now let's explore the difference between declarative and imperative approaches in Terraform. So first let's discuss about declarative approach. Terraform allows a declarative approach where users define the desired state of infrastructure without specifying the step-by-step process of achieving it. Basically, Terraform determines the actions required to reach the desired state based on the configuration provided in the configuration files. Secondly, imperative approach. In contrast, an imperative approach involves specifying the exact sequence of steps to achieve a desired outcome. While some infrastructure tools use an imperative approach, Terraform's declarative nature simplifies management and reduces the complexity. Okay, that wraps up our overview of Terraform basics and components. We have just scratched the surface of what Terraform can do. In the upcoming videos, We will dive deeper into hands-on tutorials, exploring how to use Terraform to provision infrastructure on popular cloud platforms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest Terraform tutorials. See you in next video.